Good morning, students. How are you all? I'm back here again, your teacher Divyashri. So, dear students, as we are doing nouns and types of nouns, today the type of noun which we are going to do it is countable noun and uncountable noun. In my previous videos, those who are continuously watching, they learnt about noun, the definition of noun, and under types of noun we have done common noun, proper noun, collective noun, material noun, abstract noun, and concrete noun. And today the type we are going to do it is countable and uncountable noun. Countable, the word countable, what does it expresses? Anything which is countable, you can easily say, ma'am, we are able to do its counting in number. Listen carefully. If you listen it carefully, you are able to differentiate between countable and uncountable, because this is my experience. Few people, they just say a few uncountable things as a countable and countable as a uncountable. So I don't want that you also do the same mistake. So please listen it carefully. Countable noun, that things which we are able to do counting. How we do counting? We do counting like 1, 2, 3, 4. In this manner we do counting, isn't it? So all those things which you are able to do their counting in 1, 2, 3, 4 manner, it means all those things fall under countable noun. There are words, there are specific words which we use. जब हम उन्हें बोलते हैं और हमें पता चलता है कि हाँ ये वर्ड हम बोल रहे हैं तो इसकी काउंटिंग हो सकती है, right? Words also represent that words are countable or not countable. Can we count that thing in that manner or not? So that picture also clears that the thing is countable or not, right? That word come under countable noun or uncountable noun. So let us do. I will give you few examples. I will explain with examples. If you listen it carefully, you will be able to differentiate between countable and uncountable noun. Now, countable noun. So as I told, all those things which you are able to do counting, that can be counted, they fall under countable noun. If I say pencils, how many pencils are lying on the table? So there are suppose 10 pencils. So easily you can count. You pick one by one all the pencils and you count them. You are able to do their counting and you will tell me, ma'am, there are 10 pencils in number. So you will say 10 pencils. In the same way, if some books are lying, you will say, ma'am, 4 books are there on the table. How many tables are there? So you can count. If I say furniture is there. How many furniture is there? Can you say, ma'am, 1 furniture is there, 2 furniture is there, 3 furniture is there? So counting, the counting like tables are there. So you can count 1 table, 2 tables, 3 tables, 4 tables. Are you getting me? In the same way, chocolates are there. You are able to count them. There are some people, they say stars and hair, they not come under countable noun. So listen it carefully, my dear students. The word star, this misunderstanding that we can't put the word star under countable noun, let me clear that thing to you. If there are stars on the sky and I say you, tell me how many stars that you are able to see. So you will just see up and count those stars. आपके सामने एक कॉन्स्टिलेशन है, आप काउंट करेंगे और आप कहेंगे, मैम यहाँ 7 स्टार्स हैं, राइट? सो आर यू एबल टू काउंट दैट? यस, बिल्कुल. वो उनकी संख्या बहुत अधिक है. जो तारे हैं आकाश में, उनकी संख्या अगिनत जिसे कहेंगे वो है. लेकिन ऐसा तो नहीं कि अगर आपके सामने जो चीज़ें हैं, स्टार्स हैं, तो आपको उनको काउंट करना है तो आप काउंट नहीं कर सकते. यस, यू कैन काउंट देम. यू कैन काउंट लाइक दिस वे. आप उसका प्लूरल बोल सकते हैं. तो हर वो चीज़ जिसको आप प्लूरली बोल सकते हैं, लाइक 1 स्टार, 2 स्टार्स, 3 स्टार्स, 4 स्टार्स, you are able to do their counting. So it means they fall under countable noun. So clear? Star also come under countable, क्योंकि आप उनकी गणना काउंटिंग कर रहे हैं. और उसका प्लूरल बता रहे हैं स्टार्स. ओके. इन द सेम वे हेयर, बहुत से लोग कहते हैं कि हेयर जो है उसका प्लूरल हेयर ही होता है, हेयर्स नहीं होता है, और हम हेयर जो हैं वो काउंटेबल में नहीं आता. तो आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू क्लियर पिक्चर रिगार्डिंग दिस ऑल्सो. इफ़ यू आर कॉमिंग योर हेयर और आपके बाल टूट कर कॉम पर आ जाते हैं और आप गिनते हैं 1 हेयर, 2 हेयर्स, 3 हेयर्स, 4 हेयर्स, मेरे 4 बाल टूट गए, आपने कैसे बताया? आपने काउंटिंग की ना. किन की काउंटिंग की? अपने बालों की जो आपके कॉम के ऊपर आ गए. So you calculated, you counted those hair. So that 1 hair, 2 hairs, 3 hairs, 4 hairs. So you told me, ma'am, मेरे 4 बाल टूट गए, 4 hairs broken or fallen down like that. So you can calculate. Yes, you can do the counting in that manner. बिल्कुल, उनकी संख्या बहुत है, उनकी संख्या बहुत है, बट ऐसा नहीं है कि आपके सामने अगर हेयर वर्ड आता है हेयर, तो आप उसको कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं, काउंट कर सकते हैं, गिन सकते हैं 1 हेयर, 2 हेयर्स, 3 हेयर्स इन दैट वे. सो हेयर इट ऑल्सो फॉल्स अंडर काउंटेबल नाउन. आई होप आपको ये पिक्चर क्लियर हो गई होगी कि हेयर इज काउंटेबल नाउन, स्टार इज काउंटेबल नाउन, राइट. Now let's move towards uncountable noun. If we talk about uncountable noun, हर वो चीज़ जिसकी गणना आप नहीं कर सकते, वो शब्द, वो वर्ड्स जब आप बोलते हैं, you also feel discomfort by speaking their names in plural form. जैसे मैंने कहा शुगर, तो आप शुगर्स कह सकते हैं, शुगर्स, मुझे शुगर्स दे दो, मुझे 2 शुगर्स दे दो. कैन यू स्पीक लाइक दैट? अच्छा, मुझे 5 मनीज दे दो. हाँ जी, कैन यू से लाइक दैट? डैड मुझे 5 मनीज दे दो. कैन यू से? नो. आप अपने फादर से कह सकते हैं गिव मी 5 रुपीज, गिव मी 5 कॉइन्स, बट यू कांट से गिव मी 5 मनीज. सो इट मीन्स द वर्ड मनी, it is uncountable. The word sugar, it is uncountable. Ever you say like, yes, his work, oh my god, honesty, 10 honesty level work he does. Can you say like this? No. आप emotions, feelings उनको count नहीं कर सकते. So the word like honesty, it is what? The love. Huh? So these are uncountable now. Right? So the word milk. Milk. If there are 4 glasses of milk on the table, you can calculate the glasses. You can count the glasses that there are 4 glasses of milk. But can you say there are 4 milks? There are 10 milks? Ever you say like this? No. We can't count milk. So milk is uncountable. Are you getting me? The thing which I want to explain you. So the word milk, it is uncountable. So dear students, the thing which I explained you, it is the difference between countable noun and uncountable noun. It is very simple, it is very easy. अगर आप इसको बड़ा ध्यान से उस वर्ड को देखते हैं, ढूंढते हैं कि उसकी काउंटिंग हो सकती है, जो वर्ड आप यूज कर रहे हैं क्या वो प्लूरल में फिट होता है, you will able to understand the difference between countable noun and uncountable noun. Right? So it is for today. It is done now. I just want that you like it, subscribe it, and please press bell icon so that you will get notification for my other new videos. Okay, bye everyone.